Hey YouTube, daily Dovii cichlid second episode. I just fed them, they're eating, swarms moving. So far, no growth detected. I guess they're getting used to the tank because they don't clump in the corners anymore. But I feel like I've noticed that they clump up when I turn on the air pump. So I just turned it off. There they are. Look at them. All right. That's it. They look healthy. No issues so far. There are tons of them. Hope I'll make big bucks. Alright, you liked the video, hit like button, and if you'd like to watch them grow up, please subscribe. I'll be making daily uploads. This is the second day. Have a good one. MJ out.